Hello, Superior Restoration Marketing Team. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Helen and I told her that I would send you guys the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I am just going to go through your website and then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your website. And so I send these screencasts out with all this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you guys watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Superior Restoration homepage, which I love how you guys have all of the employees lined up here with all your trucks. The site looks very good. I can tell that you guys spent some time or some money into this. It's very well laid out. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you guys currently have 416 words. So I would definitely suggest adding in some more content on here. You also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having the right amount of content, you also want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. So Google loves information and you can strategically place the right keywords in your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. And so a good example of a great keyword right here is water damage restoration Anaheim. This keyword brings in 1,300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar here, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a really good way to get your name out there, build brand recognition, and take advantage of when the market is hot. So they are a great way to get some quick wins. Right beneath where the ads are, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important and can produce huge amounts of revenue, particularly if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots. In order to do that, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, Home Advisor, Angie's List, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those directories than these 3 businesses are here. And you want to make sure when you are entering your information into those directories that it matches exactly down to every last character, all of the information you have on your Google Business Profile page, so that it will be counted as a citation. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This is going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one on the first page. So in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another, basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So if a local realtor or construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring power to yours. And so over here, I have hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little bit pricey. It costs me around $350 per month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so I typed you guys right in here. It's telling me you guys have around 4,200 backlinks from 281 domains and are ranking organically for 1,800 keywords. So we can take a look and see which keywords those are. Obviously, your site is already very powerful. You have a lot of different backlinks, but we want to make sure you're targeting the right words. And so when I look for keywords, I try and look for keywords that have buyer's intent, meaning that when someone is searching for something, they're not necessarily just looking for education, they are also looking to purchase something. And you also want to focus on location-specific keywords so that you make sure you are targeting potential customers in your area. And so looking through right here, it will tell you all the different keywords. how many people search for that keyword every month, what position you hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings you. And so obviously you guys are very well known already. So you guys bring in the most traffic from your own name. Going down, it seems like you have a lot of national keywords. So this means that you have a lot of educational content on your site, which is great. However, I would recommend adding in and focusing on some more location specific keywords so that you can target people in your area. Also, just to go through your backlinks, I would go through and make sure that all of them are high quality backlinks. You want to look for ones that have a high domain rating, or it says DR on this tool. So you would go through and just make sure everything is relevant and not coming from any spammy sites. And so that is what I have for you for today. To recap what we talked about, number one, add in some more quality educational content to your home page and focus on more location specific keywords. Number two, get some more citations to get you ranked in the map pack. And then number three, just make sure that all of your backlinks are high powered relevant backlinks. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.